Crack the Electronics Quiz Series 1. What is the primary function of a resistor in an electronic circuit? To limit the flow of electric current. Which device is used to store electrical charge? Capacitor. What is the function of a diode in an electronic circuit? To allow current to flow in one direction only. Which component is used to amplify electrical signals? Transistor. What is the role of an inductor in an electronic circuit? To store energy in a magnetic field. Which device converts alternating current, AC, to direct current, DC? Rectifier. What is the function of a logic gate? To perform logical operations. Which component is commonly used to regulate voltage in a circuit? Voltage regulator. What is the function of a transformer in an electronic circuit? To change voltage levels. Which component is used to convert digital signals to analog signals? DAC. Subscribe Crack the Electronics with Rajesh. Like, share and comment.